Good day. As we all know that the application layer is the topmost layer in the Open System Interconnection or OIS model. The developer should determine what to use while working of application layer. In the OSI model, this application layer is a narrower in scope. The application layer in the OIS model generally acts only like the interface, which is responsible for communicating with host-based and user-facing applications. This is in contrast with TCP/IP protocol.
What is application layer? The application layer is the seventh layer of the seven-layer OSI model. Application layer directly interacts with the application and provides common web application services. The application layer also makes a request to the presentation layer. Application layer is the highest level of open system providing services directly for the application process. There are some application layer functions. Transport, access, and management. It allows a user access, retrieve, and manage files in a remote computer. Mail services. It provides the basis for email, forwarding, and storage facilities. Virtual terminal. For various reasons, it can be said that the standardization of terminal has completely failed. The OSI solution to this problem is to define a virtual terminal that is really just an abstract data structure that takes the abstract state of the actual terminal. The abstract data structure can be operated by both the keyboard and the computer and reflect the current state of the data structure on the display. The computer can query this abstract data structure and change this abstract data structure so that the output appears in the screen. The other functions are, in addition to the three functions above, there are some other functions: directory services, remote job entry, graphics, information communication, and so on.
Well, in transport layer, the developer should use User Datagram Protocol, UDP. Is a transport layer protocol. UDP is a part of the Internet Protocol suite, referred to as UDP IP suite. Unlike TCP, it is unreliable and connectionless protocol, so there is no need to establish a connection prior to data transfer. Though the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) is the dominant transport layer protocol used with most of the Internet services, provide assured delivery, reliability, and much more, but all these services cost us additional overhead and latency. Here UDP comes into the picture. For real-time services like computer gaming, voice or video communication, live conferences, we need UDP. The best example of this is the game online gaming Mobile Legend. Since high performance is needed, UDP permits packets to be dropped instead of processing delay packets. There is no error checking in UDP, so it will also save bandwidth. User Datagram Protocol UDP is more efficient in terms of both latency and bandwidth.
User Datagram Protocol or UDP refers to a protocol used for communication throughout the Internet. It is specifically chosen for time-sensitive applications like gaming, playing, videos, or domain name system or DNS lookups. UDP is used at the transport layer because it is a transport layer protocol. It provides end-to-end communication services for application. UDP is also a layer 4 protocol, but unlike TCP, it doesn't provide acknowledgement of the sent packet. Therefore, it isn't reliable and depends on the higher layer protocols for the same. But on the other hand, It is simple, scalable, and comes with lesser overhead as compared to TCP. If you need speed more than reliability, you should use UDP.